This farm work ain't for the faint at heart. Thank God that I grew up in the country. Amen, somebody. I grew up picking squash. Every summer we went and worked in the squash field. If school was out on Friday, early Saturday morning, the truck was picking us up to go pick squash, and it was hot out there. Amen. With a straw hat, long sleeve shirts, long pants, and gloves, burning up. We weren't burning up. We was burning up. Amen, somebody. So this is not for the faint at heart. Little bougie girl. You can do it. You got to put your mind to it. Amen, somebody. I love our farm life. Go. Y'all ready, ain't you? Get on out the way. Get on out the way. It's a little cute. Getting our legs, cleaning some water, some feed. Making sure they have some fresh water. What you about? Some chicken. All full. Nice clean water. For the moment, until they put dirt in it. Another day in the coop sauna. As long as they fed and watered.